Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the email address on your Instagram account. Updating your email is important if you want to keep your account secure, recover your account easily, or simply switch to a new email that you use more often. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open the official Instagram app and sign in to our account. Once we are logged in, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom corner of the screen. Now, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, select Accounts Center, which is the first option at the top. Wait for the page to load, and then scroll down until you find the section called Personal Details. Tap on it. Now, tap on Contact Info, which is the first option you will see. Here, you will be able to see the email address that is currently linked to your Instagram account. To change it, tap on Add New Contact and then select Email Address. Now, enter the new email address that you want to connect to your Instagram account. After typing your new email, select your Instagram profile. Instagram will let you know that adding this new email will replace the one currently linked to your account. Once you understand this, tap Next. Instagram will now send a verification code to your new email address. Copy the code, go back to the Instagram app, and paste the code in the verification field. Then tap Next. And just like that, your new email address will be added to your Instagram account. Finally, tap Done, and your email address will be successfully updated. And that's it. Now you know how to change your email address on your Instagram account.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!